Let's make this tasty galaxy noodles. And for this we will take butterfly pea flowers. Wash them properly and remove the sepal or the green part. Now we'll soak them in warm water for 5 minutes and extract the color. Now we'll use this water to boil the noodles. And you see the color of noodles has changed to beautiful blue color. Just strain the excess water. Now to prepare the seasoning, in some oil add some garlic, chilies, pepper, oregano and chili flakes and pour this over the noodles. Garnish with basil leaves or parsley leaves. And now for the magical purple color, we will add some lemon and the color of the noodles has changed to purple color. Enjoy this and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.